Right, really quick guide on how to route these cables from these dash cams. This is the way I do it. Right, obviously I've got the cable hanging in there and I've taken the weight off by having it over the mirror, but that's not my end location for this, or even if you want to put like the beginning location, that's not where I'm going to put it. So I'm going to do it by hand, finger pointing basically, and then I'm going to show you the result. I'm not going to do it as I go because there's no tripod area in the car. So this has got a big, I've just noticed it, got a big bulky kind of thing there. That's interesting. The big bulky thing I think should rest here, right, like that, like it was. So I'll take the weight off it. Now I'm going to route it upwards, up here. I'm going to slip it underneath here. I'm going to come here, between here. I'm not going to lift it. I mean it's liftable. I'm just going to come over, so it'll be a nice clean wire just here. It's going to come here, and it's going to come here. I'm going to pull this is, you can pull this out. This trim, this rubber trim, you can pull that out. I'm going to come here, come along here. It's going to come down here, then difficult part out of the way. Next difficult part, I need some more light. So it's all dark. Hopefully you can see it on my hands are bright white. Anyway, so come underneath the glove compartment, under here where my hand is going. Anything needs lifting, it's normally a bit of trim, so I can thread, or I can thread it through. So come along here, and here, and then looks like it's quite a solid plastic. Might just let it dangle a bit. So there's a bit of a loop that goes into the 12-volt port. So there's nothing I can pull out here, but I think I might be able to route it between things to hide it. There's also those little stickers I have. I could just put a sticker on it with a little cable gripper. I could do that, tuck it out of the way. Right, so there's two options to do this job. Anyway, the cleaner option is to not use those little stickers with a little cable gripper. The cleaner option is to route it through. Should barely see it. Might even come through here actually. I just noticed that. Come through here, come this way. Maybe use one of them grippers just here. Maybe just here to keep it away from the gear stick. But a little bit of a length here, so it's not tugging at the end of the adapter. So I wrap the cable around once around the mirror. The reason is, it might be useful to put it there. If it drops, it's not going to go bang on something, you know. Sometimes the suckers fail. Got up there easy. Got up here. There you go, all done. So it comes down here. Nice big loop there, so there's no stress on the cable. Just tuck it under. You just see the bit sticking out. Just tuck it under this trim. Tuck it under there. And here there's a nice panel with it. I took off. I pulled down. And that accesses the pollen filter, I think. It just came up here, and the cable you can see is actually embedded in there. You can't even see it. There you go. Only our neat bit is here, but the tension is being pulled here. We've got like a safeguarding thing. If it falls down, it's not going to go smack onto something hard. And that's it. Just check the doors. That's all foamy stuff. I doubt it will crush that, but watch. Keep an eye on it, I mean. Close it. Obviously there's a lot of force when you close the door on the hinge area. Nothing, I didn't even dented it. So, that's it. Thanks for watching.